Well, it's raining now, and I wanted to show you, I don't know if you can see that, but it's coming between, it's leaking between the fascia there and the gutter. It's a little hard to see because it's dark and the angle's not too good, but you kind of see it dripping here. There we go, you can see it a little bit better. Let's see how we're doing on the back end. This one looks like it's doing okay. It's dripping a little over the edge, but that's alright. And let's go over here. This one seems okay so far. Okay. Get back this way. Take a look at how the rear one is doing. Alright, you can see it dripping down here. Let's see if I can. You see it's dripping the corner there, seam, this end. Let's see if I can get it better. Yeah, you can see it dripping at the end there. It's not as bad as it was. I don't know. Maybe it's got clogged. And then you can also see now dripping through the soffit. And that happens in random places along the gutters. This end's dripping pretty bad too, it looks like. I don't know if you can see that. There. Let's see if I can get a better angle. There. So it's obviously not sealed real well. It's a little hard to tell, but it is dripping the edge there. Looks like it's not sealed at the end of the gutter. I don't know how this side is. I haven't really looked at it. I'll peek around over here, take a look. Yeah, it's dripping again of the gutter seam there, the corner. This one. A little bit overshooting, but again, not that bad. I guess the worst one is this front one that I'm worried about because, well, the back one too, because it's coming through the soffit areas, but this one is leaking through the between the fascia there. You can see that again. There we go. See, it's not even raining that hard, so when this thing is really raining, it's pouring right through there, and it's going to rip off that soffit and everything else eventually. Again, I'm pretty disappointed. I still haven't received a call back from LeafFilter. You know, I don't really care at this point anymore. I'm probably going to have them all removed and have to have all the roof fixed and the gutters and all that. Anyway, this is just my update. Thanks.